Hi! If you also have Audio-Technica ATH series headphones with a broken hinge, today I'll show you how to fix it easily at home using superglue and baking soda. Yes, the same baking soda from your grandmother's kitchen. Mixed with superglue, it becomes an instant, rock-hard cement. It's the cheapest and easiest way to repair plastic. As you can see, the previous owner already tried to fix these headphones, but unsuccessfully, because the ear cups don't stay tight against the ears. Before starting the repair, remove the ear pad cushions so you don't damage them with glue. If you want to know how to replace old ear pads, watch my previous video. Also, before gluing the headphones, connect them to a music source and check that both sides work. You should only glue them if the sound works. If the wires are broken, you must repair them before gluing anything. Next, I need to remove this poor quality repair job. As you can see, the hinge's position fixing pins are broken. A very common problem. Start by removing the outer plastic cover, then remove both hinge cover pieces. This time, not only the fixing pins are broken, but the whole housing is cracked. First, make a slightly bigger gap so you can add superglue inside and fix the housing damage. When the glue hardens, it's time to fix the main problem, the broken hinge and rotation pins. Right now, the headphones don't hold their position. They open too wide and don't stay on the head. To fix this, you need to identify which of the two broken pins belongs on which side. Test which one fits better. Then prepare your repair materials: baking soda, superglue, an old toothbrush, and a small stick to scoop the soda. Place something under the headphones so they're not open too wide. You want them in the correct, slightly closed position. Apply superglue to the broken plastic surface and fit the correct pin in place. Your task is to glue the pin back exactly as it originally was. Then sprinkle baking soda over the superglue and brush off the excess. Add more superglue, then more baking soda again, making several layers to create a strong bond. Once the pin is fixed in place, you already know how much the headphones should open. But in this condition, the pin alone may break again. So add superglue around the rotation area. This gives a much stronger fix and prevents future breaks. Before the glue hardens, open the headphones up to the pin limit. Add more superglue. Then cut off a plastic pin from the cover piece and glue the hinge covers back in place. Fill the housing with a bit more glue and glue the main cover back on to hide all the messy. For extra strength, add more superglue to any cracked spots and reinforce them with more glue and baking soda. This makes the headphones extremely durable. Then repeat the same steps on the other side. Glue the pin in the correct position, fix the rotation area so the headphones won't break again, glue both hinge covers back, glue the large cover, and fill all broken areas with glue and baking soda. Remove any extra baking soda. After a few hours, when the glue has fully hardened, the headphones are repaired. They now stay strong and hold firmly on the head. As the last step, clean the surface with a damp cloth to make them look nice and fresh again. I'm happy. I saved a lot of money by not buying new headphones. Just put the ear pads back on. In my case, I need to wait for new ones to arrive, and then I can enjoy my lovely headphones again. Good luck, and I hope you learned something new.